Today we're going to talk about ClassFlow. ClassFlow is an interactive lesson delivery system. It features by sending quiz, instant polls, and activities to students. Ways to use it within the classroom that is features that it also provides is providing assignments, class discussions, and assessments. Content can be for all grades and subjects. Now, my district provides a ClassFlow account. You can get a ClassFlow account for free. This is how it looks when you log in. You can have a class roster where you can send activities or assignments, tests throughout the week. So if you're going to do this throughout a period of time, this would probably be the best way to do it. Resources. This is where you find your resources that you have created in your lesson plans or assessment, whatever you have. And the marketplace is a great resource because this is where it actually shows you all the subject areas that you can use this for, all the way from science to design and technology, English, geography, and grades also, all the way from pre-K to the college level. What kind of format you're looking for, if it's only an activity, a lesson, or assessment. If you want them for free, they do provide free ones and they do have paid ones. And if you want it to be more of a teacher-based one compared to a publisher, same thing looking at the language or reviews. It's a great resource for someone starting out until you get comfortable in creating your own, looking at this and seeing what others have created, and especially if it's the same topic that you're teaching and it goes over everything, why reinvent the wheel when you have those resources there for you? Now, at the home page, these are all the ways you can use it. You can provide an instant whiteboard, start a quick poll, create a lesson, create activity, and create a quiz. The easiest way to start implementing ClassFlow for me is the instant whiteboard, because you can still, if you already have your lessons for the next day, it's the same thing you would do in your everyday classroom routine. The only difference is instead of telling them turn and talk or have students raise their hand, you can do it through this format. So students will log in, they'll have a student it's classflow./student join log little website for them to click, and then they'll ask them for this code. Then if they click on it, when they put this code, they'll put their name, and then you can actually see who's connected. Right now I'm on another computer connected, so if you have 7 computers, they'll have their 7 names, however you want to do it. In my classroom, I only have 7 computers, so I usually have a group of 3 in one computer, and then they get to create a group. So they create their name, and that's how they display it. So if you're talking about character traits and say, oh, well, we just finished reading the story, Franny K. Stein, what are some character traits that we noticed after the first book? You can send out a poll. There's different ones. You can ask questions like true or false, yes or no, a scale, multiple choice questions, numbers, text, word, seed, or creative. My favorite is creative because it doesn't limit them. They'll get a whiteboard, they can draw on it, or write out. I'm trying to write it on my other one, sorry. So she's different, and if they want to draw a picture of her, sorry, it's going to be blue, it's a little, I'm trying to do it quickly. And then they submit, it will show as soon as someone submits. From here, you can code them. I code them by different colors, and we have a discussion. Oh, let's look at this. Who agrees with this group that she was different? Yes, okay, green. Okay, everyone use this word, and all the words that say different or odd, would get the same color green. And then if someone says more, if she's smart, intelligent, she's a scientist, I would create another category and I would code them in that color. Now from here, you can create a poll. So if someone says something that someone else didn't think of, or um, something that it took the discussion to another path, then you can create a poll from that card. So I can go from here and say, okay, she's different. Again, I'll do this one text. Why is she different? And then they can, on their side, they can respond to say she is different because, and they will submit that and it will pop up and it's going from that card, the discussion. So you can use this however you want. It's very flexible, and I hope you enjoyed at least learning something about ClassFlow. Thank you.